First ranked match of the night. Dang it. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like seeing more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. 2. Oh, it's Labyrinth of Nightmare or something. Oh, it's got a metaverse. Let's see. Cyber Emergency Alpha. Fafnir. I'll go to Nova. Nova. Special summon Zeta from the deck. Could tribute off. Nah. And Karibo. Zeta, tribute, Alpha, special summon from the grave, activate effect, add Medionist DRYTRON. Alpha, tribute, Gamma, special summon out. They put him over here. This could have been an in-perm. Benton. Medionist DRYTRON. Natasha. Use Zeta. An attack. No Fafnir. Zeta. Gain half of its attack, 1000. Medium stretch run. Decrease. Add. Okay. Okay. Dang. Dang, 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 dang. Well, I can go like this. Benton. Penny's ruler. I could use this now too. Preparation of rights. Natasha. And add media on a stretch run. Nightmare Phoenix. Activate effect. I will send. Should I send Natasha or Ultimate this? Natasha. I'll pop the Lair of Darkness. Natasha, banish a Cyber Angel. Target is monster. Special summon from the grave. And get over here. No Fafnir. What is this? What? Destroy one face of card your opponent controls. Oh my god. Who? Nightmare Phoenix, okay. Okay. Well, I can actually maybe on a stretch run. Benton. Use Gamma. No. Tribute summon. Vanity's ruler. Activate Benton. I'm gonna get the purple. This could be a trap, so. Natasha. Banish Cyber Angel. Target one of his monsters. Ritual summon from the grave, or special summon. No. Good. Yeah, this is game right there. This could be game, yeah, that's game. I'm gonna do Boral Sword and Boral Sword shenanigan. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Oh, what the heck? I'm using the new band list. What? I didn't even know. I thought I was still using the old deck. DRYTRON16. Wow. It's still did good. Yeah, I'm good. Wow. I thought I was still using the old deck. I didn't want to use this deck. Why am I using when it's kind of unfair in a ranked match? Lair of Darkness. Oh no. Didn't even side deck. Sets a monster. Lair of Darkness. Okay. I'm just gonna shotgun Cosmic Cyclone. Get rid of Lair of Darkness. If this is Metaverse. Oh, fuck. That's okay. Scythe. What? Cannot special summon monsters from the extra deck for the rest of the turn. Scythe. Well, I want a special summon. So. Get rid of that. Just one. Yeah. Break a key. What was that? Like a Phantom Beast Colt Wing, okay. Oh, let's just hope he doesn't have any hand traps. Nova. Alpha. Then Karibo. Alpha, Tribute, Zeta, Special Summon, Activate Effect, add Ben 10. Zeta. Should be Ben 10. Let's do wins. Oh, I forgot to go like this. Oh man, I forgot. Damn it. That's okay. That was with the new DRYTRON16. Wow. And it was 1223 before, now I'm 1233, so I went up by 10 again. That's cool. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.